Okay, now how do you extract the last 3 rows of any variable? If you know, so in my case, my variable data has 5 rows. So I would have to write last data of 3 to 5 in all columns. Oopsie, sorry. Last data is data of rows 3 to 5, which is rows 3, 4, and 5. These are the last 3, comma, all the columns. In the case of this practice exam, because data had 7 rows, we want 5 to 7 row and then all columns, not emoji. Actually, don't need the semicolon. So this is the answer to that one. And now find all variables that are less than 4 and greater than 20 in a variable, in a vector maybe, and assign them to sub-var exam. So first let me make a, how about I make a variable that's var exam that is between 0 and 40, but it has only 10 rows. Let's take a look. So here there are numbers that are between 2, I think is the minimum is 2, and max is 39. Now I want to take out only variables that are between 4 and 20. So this is also part of the on-ramp, and I'm gonna put this in sub-var exam. So it is part of var exam, but I want only the ones that are larger than 4 and smaller than 20. Turns out there are only 2. Let me generate var exam again. I still have only, oh no, now I have 3. Let's take a look. Then I'm gonna do this again. And now I have 3, 16, 17, and 9. I'll generate var exam with 20 rows. Now I have way more, right? Yep. And now let's find again all the elements that are between 4 and 20. So with one line, I find that. How do you low pass a signal in Matlab? The answer to this question is this last one here. Which commands are associated with filters? So, for example, butter. And here's the syntax. Let me just check that it is butter. So it turns out Butterworth filters you can use as low or high, but you do need the order, and I'm going to suggest that we always use 2 and then, oopsie, half of the sample frequency. I don't know that I need you to know that. I would very much want you to know butter and then filt. So these 2 commands are associated with filters. This is the last part of homework 2. So if you're confused on this, there's the handle. So hopefully you listen to music and then you filtered it and you listened again. So this is the idea. This is the commands associated with it. There are several other commands that you could look. Bessel, Chebyshev, and then just filter. I hope this helps. But let me know if you have specific questions.